Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this recipe we are going to take things up a notch by using chicken wings instead of traditional chicken pieces. So let's get started and make this tandoori chicken wings. In a bowl, take washed and cleaned chicken wings, add fresh curd in it, add ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, I am using Kashmiri mirch, some turmeric powder, ginger powder, oil, salt, gram flour for the binding and crispiness of the wings, some lemon juice for the tanginess in the chicken, chopped fresh coriander stem for the freshness. Mix and marinate well. And keep it aside for 20 to 25 minutes. In a tadka bowl, take whole red chilies, cloves, black peppercorns, mace, cinnamon, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, some coriander seeds, nutmeg, kasuri methi. Mix and slightly roast for 30 seconds on low heat. Grind it into a fine powder using grinder. Tandoori masala smells good and ready. Add it in the chicken wings marination. Mix well in the chicken wings marination. Keep a bowl in the center. Place a live coal in it. Add some kasuri methi, melted ghee. Quickly cover the wing bowl with a plate. Open after 30 minutes. Arrange the wings on your oven tray like this. Keep the tray in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. You can also deep fry the wings in oil if you don't have oven at home. Spice up your appetizer game with this delicious tandoori chicken wings. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.